Gain complete mastery of combination and standalone treatments for nose shaping and contouring at the Master Nose Injection Training. As patients increasingly turn toward minimally invasive and more cost-effective treatments, you will be able to present them with an assortment of options for creating their desired nose appearance by using these injection techniques. You will be trained by a board-certified physician faculty member on a variety of techniques, including nasal flare and nasal tip treatments using specialty PDO thread injections, botulinum toxin, liquid rhinoplasty, and other treatments for the nose and upper perioral region. Through trauma, bone loss, collagen loss, or other circumstances identified with aging, our nose features can change over time and accentuate deficits or asymmetries of the nose and upper perioral area of the face. Empire's Master Nose Injection Training will prepare attendees with the tools to identify different contrast indications around the nose and the strategies to correct these imperfections to create a new look for your patients. The course will benefit all practitioners to safely perform these new procedures to patients, satisfying patient needs and offering enhanced patient care. Empire Medical Training offers over 45 courses in aesthetics, anti-aging, and regenerative medicine, pain management, and more, designed specifically for physicians, dentists, and nurses. Empire has been a globally recognized leader in aesthetics training since 1998, with over 175,000 satisfied program graduates and a faculty made up of renowned and experienced industry professionals. Call us today or visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com for more information.